I'm sorry for the disturbance. So in the last class we saw that collection I is basically the collection of all open intervals uh, in real line forms a basis for a topology on R. Okay. So this basis will generate a topology. The topology generated by I is called the usual topology on R and is denoted as U. So it is basically the topology generated by basis I. Okay, and open intervals are basic open sets in this topological space. Okay, now let's see a lemma, small little result. Let x2 be a topological space and for every x in X, singleton X is an element of top. That is, all singleton subsets of X are open in this topological space. Then this topology has to be the discrete topology because any subset A of X can be written as for a subset of X. A is basically union of singleton A for each A in A, right? And since each singleton set is open, union of all of them will be open. So that would mean that A belongs to 2. So that would mean that all subsets of X are open in this topological space, and there's only one topology which satisfies that condition. That topology has to be the parset of X. Okay. So so let in the last class we saw that if we consider B to be collection of all singleton subsets of X, then B is a basis for a topology on X. In that case, then the topology generated by B is basically the discrete topology. That's because since as this is true, because every element of B will be an open set in the topology generated by B. In particular, so that would mean that meaning all singleton subsets of X are open in topology generated by B. Thus the topology generated by B has to be thus topology generated by B has to be discrete topology in X. Okay. So a question, we if tau is a topology on X, then tau itself is a basis for a topology on the set X. Now what would be the topology generated by the topology itself? Think about it. It's not a difficult question. Every element of the topology generated by a basis can be written as union of basic open sets. Here the basic open sets are basically the open sets in the topological space X2. So think about it. So probably I should stop at this point. I shall be more regular in uploading my videos henceforth. Thank you very much.